How to fix a driver can't load on this device error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Windows regularly releases updates that contain bug fixes and compatibility patches for various issues. If there are optional updates available, install them as well. Restart your computer to implement the changes. If that didn't work, updating the driver that's incompatible with memory integrity might resolve the "a driver can't load on this device" error. If that didn't work, malware can interfere with system files, including drivers. Running a comprehensive malware scan can help detect and remove such threats. If that didn't work, System Restore can revert your computer's state to a previous point in time, possibly before the error occurred.